Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well. Today we are going to read scene number 3 from the drama Twelfth Night written by William Shakespeare. So let's start the reading from scene number 3. At Olivia's house, Orsino, Voila and the lords enter. Voila. Here comes the man who rescued me. Voila said that here comes that man who saved my life. Antonio and the officers enter. Orsino, he is the captain of a boat that was so worthless. Then Orsino said he is the captain of a boat that was so worthless. First officer then introduced Orsino with Antonio. He took Phoenix and her cargo from Crete and captured the ship Tiger during the battle in which young Titus lost his leg, and we have been in lookout for him. Okay, they are searching him. Orsino to Antonio. Then Orsino said to Antonio, "Ki what bring you to this town?" Then Orsino asked Antonio, "Ki what brings you to this town?" ठीक है कि why you come to this town? Antonio कि I am here following an ungrateful young man, कि I am here because of my friend, yeah, we can say ungrateful young man I saved from drawing, कि I saved his life, but today he refused to acknowledge my presence. But today he is not giving any importance of my presence at here. He act as though that he really knows me. He is behaving just like that. He does not know me. Narrator. Just then Olivia enter and she sees Voila as disguised as Cesario and mistaking him for Sebastian, whom she got married to, because she got married with Sebastian, and she gets angry with Voila. Olivia, I have been tricked. Voila, by whom? And who has tricked you? Then Voila said, "Ki by whom and who has tricked you?" Olivia, oh, how is it that you have completely forgotten it? ठीक है कि Olivia said to Voila, and Olivia thought that Voila is a Cesario, ठीक है? And she said कि how is it that you have completely forgotten it? Has it been so long? Call the priest. The narrator at that time Orsino decide to leave with Voila, and the same that time Orsino decide to leave that place with Voila. However, Olivia requests them to stay, and Olivia requests both of them to stay. She confessed that she is married to Cesario. ठीक है, she confessed. She said that she is married to Cesario and he is her husband, and she's saying that now Cesario is Olivia's husband. The priest to identify Cesario and Olivia as husband and wife. Now, same at that point, the priest also identifies Cesario and Olivia as husband and wife. Orsino is shocked, but just then Sir Andrew enters. ठीक है, Orsino is shocked by listening these words कि Cesario and Olivia, now they both are husband and wife. And at the same point Sir Andrew enters there. Now Sir Andrew, for the love of God, someone please send a surgeon to Sir Toby. And then Sir Andrew did request that please send a surgeon. Surgeon means a doctor for for Sir Toby. Why for Sir Toby? Sir Toby is Olivia's uncle. Now Olivia, what is the matter? And why you are saying like this, Sir Andrew? He has broken my head and given Sir Toby a broken head too. Now he has broken my head. And who has broken his head? Sebastian had broken his head and given Sir Toby a broken head too. So help us. There he was crying for, ठीक है, he was crying for help. Now Olivia, who has done this? Now same at that point Sir Andrew saw the Cesario, and he said that Cesario has done this. We took him for a coward, but he fights like a devil. कि we took कि हमने ऐसा सोचा था कि he's a coward, but he fights like a devil. There he is, and he is pointing to Voila. ठीक है, Sir Andrew pointing to Voila. Now Olivia, my gentleman Cesario, clear she is shocked and surprised. Now, Voila, why do you speak to me? And then Voila said, कि, why do you speak to me? I never hurt you. ठीक है कि I don't know who are you and I never hurt you. You drew your spot upon me without any reason, yet I didn't hurt you. कि you drew your spot upon me without any reason, without any cause, but yet I didn't hurt you. The narrator, just then Sebastian arrives. Same that point, Sebastian arrives on that same place, and he apologized to Olivia and then hugs Antonio. He apologizes in front of Olivia, and then hugs Antonio. Then suddenly he sets his sight on Cesario and offer, and after plenty of question, ठीक है, after plenty of investigation, he realized that he has found his lost sister. Everyone realizes that Cesario is a woman. ठीक है कि अब सर किसी को realize हो गया कि Cesario is a woman. Now Orsino decide to accept Viola's love for him. Now just the same point, Orsino decides to accept Viola's love for him, and he announces that it is the time to celebrate. Now at the last moment, Orsino marry with Voilas, and Olivia marry with Sebastian, and this is the ending of the last scene of the scene third of the 12th night. Have a good day. Thank you.